My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the malicious pop-ups that come from the site Onlinetop.blog. Onlinetop.blog is a malicious and pretty deceptive alert attacking Google, Chrome and other browsers. This pop-up tries to deceive and to trick people into interacting with the alert in order to make people download and install some potentially unwanted software. The pop-up claims to be related to some decent security program, but when you try interacting with this pop-up, when you click on this Stay Protected button, eventually you may be forwarded to some other questionable websites, and these questionable websites may promote a totally different software, not the one that was initially advertised. So please be extremely careful. Do not interact with these pop-ups by Onlinetop.blog. They display deceptive alerts, as I said, and their mission is to trick you into downloading some potentially unwanted applications. In fact, all these pop-ups may be the trace of some adware already enabled in your computer. So what you should do is to check the control panel and uninstall any programs that might be suspicious here. But sometimes it happens that visually the computer is free of threats. However, there may be certain potentially unwanted programs in the system. I do recommend that you research your device with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and the best place to get it is on the official page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the application, and start researching and investigating your system with its help. Combo Cleaner will give you assistance in detecting and deleting all other hidden threats which could possibly remain on your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.